Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Eden and I'm the creator of this course. Now, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. Now let's take a quick look on how this course is built. First, in the introduction part, we're going to show you how to set up your Neo4j environment. Next is the theoretical part. We're going to discuss NoSQL, what is NoSQL, what are graph databases. Then we're going to see how we can create graph databases and how we can query them. Then we're going to have some basic Cypher practice. We're going to take everything we learned in the theoretical part and practice it with Game of Thrones data. In the last part of our course, we're going to take some Game of Thrones data describing all the battles and all the betrayals of Game of Thrones. We're going to transform it into a Neo4j graph database, and then we're going to answer a lot of cool questions about Game of Thrones. We're going to answer those questions by writing some complex queries that will help us practice everything we learned in this course. This part will take us a step up in writing complex queries. Thank you for signing up for this course, and I wish you the best.